Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show off my saber staff skills for the 100th time now. I've done a lot of these videos. I'm going to do another one this time. This time, sorry, do that again. Do I just them all? Okay. I'm going to teach you some saber staff basics if you're into this. You're going to swing twice sideways and then go down. So you gotta do it like that, and then go down. I mean, raise it and do not do it like that. You'll hurt your crotch or something. But yeah, if you want to swing 3 times, just do it like this. Yep. I'll teach you. Okay, let's say do rotary cut. Go like that. Grab with your other hand. And go the opposite way. You go up, down, down. Okay, let's do this again. You can do it again. Okay, anyways. Okay, I'm only going to spin it once or twice in this video because my wrist hurts. Let's do some diagonal cuts. If you're interested in this, let me know in the comments. Do helicopter bleeds. And do some figure 8s. Figure 8, speed it up. If you're gonna do a figure 8, like me, I recommend that you not do it as fast as I did. Okay. So the final move, not in the whole video, but the trickiest move I know how to do. Spinning. This is gonna hurt my wrist, but here we go. Alright, now for those moves, I don't know the fight chances, so I know 5 of them. Hand out and above holding the saber above your head. Hold it in front of you, like with both hands, on your side, sideways, and behind your back. You don't have to do this hand gesture. You can do this, this, this. Don't do that. I'm just kidding. It don't matter. I just like doing that. It's easier for me. But whatever fight stance works for you, doesn't really matter what fight stance. It's all fight stances. But yeah, this is some basic acrobatics. Here we go. All right. Spin around. Alright, there you go. I don't do flips because I don't know how to do that on hard surfaces. But there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I have a very special video. I'll film it tomorrow. Sorry. In my next video, I will film me suiting up for my Halloween costume that I'm going to wear for this year. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mervin Skywalker. That was my saber staff tutorial, somewhat. See you next time. Bye. Stay safe. Bye.